Just Good Cooking with Chef Carlton. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.
Alright guys, so today I'm going to be shooting a pepper shrimp video. So I got all my shrimp right there, clean and ready to go. Of course, keep all the tail on and all the skin, all the shell. I got all my ingredients here. I'm going to have all the ingredients in the description for you guys. So let's get prepped. Alright, we're going to start by cutting our peppers. And if you want the seeds in them, they're going to be more spicy. You could just use it fresh, but you guys know me, I love pepper, so I'm just going to make using seeds on everybody. Alright. Alright, so let's cut our peppers. Red pepper, that is. And our onions. Alright. I'm gonna go. Alright, so guys, for this one again, if you're not used to it, you're gonna want to grab a gloves, but you're gonna add all your shrimp. I'm just gonna add our ingredients. We're gonna start with our hot pepper, chopped up. Oh yeah. Another red pepper and onions. Alright. Red pepper flakes. This one's gonna be spicy, guys. Some allspice. Alright, garlic and onion powder, black pepper, a bit of salt. I'm gonna add some cooking oil, vegetable oil, canola oil is fine, olive oil, don't really matter. And we're gonna add a little bit of distilled vinegar. Alright. We're gonna go ahead and just rub everybody together. All right. So you're gonna cover this. You can use a hand to get in there. Again, you should wear a glove, but just don't go scratch your eye or remember scratch your face now after you do this. It's going to be in a world of pain. All right, we're gonna let this sit in the fridge for 30 minutes and then we're going to get back to it. All right, so now what you're going to do now, you're going to remove these from the mixture. Try to remove all the stuff, and you don't want that on there. Yeah, you're going to take them back out. And you're not going to worry if you get a few pieces on there. It's not big of a deal, that much. Just try and get them off. All right, and in a small saucepan. It don't got to be a big pan, but it got to be nice size pan enough. So you're going to add some water. I recommend 1.5 cups or 2 cups. All right guys, once you start to see them small bubbles, feel free to go ahead and add your mixture. Oh yeah, nothing but spiciness and flavor, guys. All right, make sure you get all of it. Just do a quick little mix around, and you're gonna go ahead and cover this until it got to a nice boil. All right, now that you got it like this, we're gonna go ahead and add our shrimp. We're gonna add 2. Enough just to cover them. You don't want too much water in it. The water is going to take away from the spice, so you want just enough to cover them. 1 layer, 1 minute on each side. All right, 1 minute. Turn them over. shrimp cook really fast. Because what's happened, the heat is cooking, the vinegar is cooking. Oh yeah. Alright. Just cover these for a minute. So in 1 minute you come back, these are going to be ready. Alright, now we're back. The shrimp is ready. Very, very spicy, guys. Gonna remove these. You see that? Nice bright orange. Go ahead and add the rest. Make sure we get them covered. Same process. Wait for a minute. I'll come back and show you guys the finished product. Alright, we're gonna start by garnishing our plate. Some peppers. This is Scotch. This is hot pepper, guys, and some sweet red pepper. Alright. Remember, guys, I told you guys, presentation is all. I'm big on presentation, guys. Get some pepper on there. Alright. I'm going to place our shrimp down. Some spicy shrimp, guys. And I eat a lot of shrimp, so when I'm plating these, I'm going to stack it. Be stacking it. Keep everything within the rim, guys. Alright. The top is off with some red pepper flakes.